Hello, hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 11 of the 12 days of Christmas. So tomorrow we are done. But today's palette is the Sample Beauty Plush palette. It looks like this. So cute and so pigmented. But this is the vibe for today. We did kind of like, I don't know, a weird cut crease situation. And the star of the show is the color Ritz, which is this gorgeous shimmery purple right here. Like, is that not just so nice? I actually really like how this look came out. I'm also trying a new foundation for the first time. I think I like it. I think I like it a lot. If you guys like how the look turned out and you want to see how we did it, please join me over here in the rest of the video. Hello, hi you guys. Today we are doing this. This is day 11 of our 12 days of Christmas. How exciting. I think I'm more excited than 12 days is almost over. Yo, because like, what big work, hey? To all the girls who do this on the rig. Honestly, you are my hero. I am so impressed by you because I'm finished, yo. Ugh, I'm finished and my brow pencil is breaking. Hats off to all of you, the Vlogmas girls and guys, the everyday posters. That's crazy to me. I have been struggling and I am tired. And I simply did not have any motivation for anything. And so I've been filming quite late. So I don't know what to film. I'm sitting here, I'm like, what is the move? Side though, the gal has nails once more. We went really simple because I just wanted to be a little bit simple. I'm gonna add gems and stuff to it, I think, before New Year's. Make it a little more interesting. I also kind of feel like I'm breaking out, and I don't know if it's because every day my face has makeup on it or what, but man, we're gonna go in with the Prime Like a Boss primer. So get some ombre. And the palette we're using today is this Sample Beauty Plush palette. They describe this as deep, rich tones. This is what it looks like. We are very obviously inside here. To start, we're going to use this pencil brush with the dark blue. It's called Rare. And I'm just going to just rub it in this area, get that blue in, you know? And with the fluffy brush, I'm going to dip into Classy. It is also a dark blue, but it's more of like a greeny blue, if that makes sense. I'm going to use her to give us a little interesting other blend. You feel just And some micellar water. I spilled that everywhere. Anyways, today I went and I got some foundation, but that's not the story we're telling. I went to go look for a white elephant Christmas present, and the one I wanted to get is very much outside of budget, and I'm kind of like, oh, you know, and I'm like, do I just get it anyway? Will the other people behave accordingly? I don't know, because I was trying to keep my budget at like 2,000. And what I want is not under 2,000. I feel like you guys have been listening to me yap about like my symmetry, but like look at this. Yeah, it's like I just can't find the right ground. And like I be trying. I think that might be the worst part. Like fully, I am attempting my best to make it as symmetrical as possible. That's the best it's gonna get as far as I'm concerned. So we're gonna move on. We're using my MAC paint pot and laying low. And we're gonna use this little flat brush. We're using a bunch of different brushes today because my brushes are, you guessed it, filthy. They are filthy and sitting in the little jar for cleaning the brushes. I will clean them today because it needs to be done, doesn't it? I started filming this like ages ago and then I stopped because I got distracted yapping with my brother. He's back. He's been gone for a while, so it's nice to see him. I'm gonna take that same blue, the red, and just really get it up in front here. Then we're gonna dive back into Classy once more, and we're going to do pretty much the same. Going into Ritzy, which looks, oops, I have smooshed it too much. Looks like this. This is Ritzy, and she is the star of our show. She is why you are all here today. We're going to cut this as well. We're going to cut it from this now instead. So what I find is that I do this and it looks too small. I don't know why I always take with too much. And with the All Eyes on Me mascara. Go in with the Matte and Poreless primer from Maybelline as per usual. This I should have filmed this morning, but I also went to go get like shade matched at NARS. So I thought, don't actually do your makeup, because if you put makeup on, what are they going to match against, match to? You feel? And all this after going to get my nails done. And now I know, Mass, why are you getting your nails done? Because I don't feel like doing them myself right now. Anyways, at NARS I tried 2 shades on me. Caracas and Macau. So Macau is the darker one and Caracas is the lighter one. We're going to start with Caracas because, yeah, the people were very, very of the opinion that Caracas was the right one for me. So there's this here brush and I'm just going to put it all over my face. And then tomorrow we're going to try the other one and see which one I like better in the pictures and stuff. I must say though, I really, really, really like this finish. It is gorgeous. I'm still mildly concerned about whether it's the right match for me. I guess you guys can tell me, what do you think of the match? This is with like my little light up here as well. It's a good and powerful light. Unfortunately, I can't tell you what it's going to look like in the daytime because the day has finished. I should not have gotten to the yapping, but you know when you miss people and you finally get the opportunity to just like yap with them, I had to participate in the yap. We're going to be as basic as we usually are. Go in with the Fit Me concealer in the color 40. See how that all works together. With the Revolution Matte Base Concealer Kit to bronze. Yeah, so I am struggling via this White Christmas thing. And I think I need to figure out what everyone else's budget is so that I don't now feel like I'm doing too much or doing too little, or I don't even know, you know? Yeah, I went to a couple shops in Sandton and I was asking the questions and like, yeah. I don't know why I thought what I wanted would be like cheaper. Obviously I didn't think it'd be like cheap, but I thought it would be like cheap enough that it would make sense to purchase. Also something that I would kind of want. So I'm kind of like, man, do I like find a way to be the first person so I could be like the last person to steal? I don't know. Sounds like a yes to me, you know? Blend her out as per usual. I'm actually kind of liking how everything seems to be working out together. And True Switch Beauty Bubble Blush in Havana. So nice, this thing. Love it. Down with the Switch Beauty Matte Bounce Powder. Little tap under the eye like that. So I'm basically just going to go over all the areas where I put concealer to elevate. Nika K pressed powder for lightly just, I think this is meant to be like the bronzer, but I find that it pulls a little too red for me to comfortably use as a bronzer. So I'm going to use it as a blush today. Same brush, I know. Babes, why so lazy? I don't have the answers for you. Sorry. Oh, that is so nice as a blush. I'm sorry. Like, I'm sorry. Use this every day since acquiring it, yes. Let a babe be happy, okay? Let her enjoy her nice presents from her friends, okay? Is that too much blush, maybe? Like, don't say anything about it. I'm gonna use the tip of the brush into the highlights and just give ourselves a little. So pretty. Same, wow, cosmetics. Brown pencil I use, like all the time. I'm gonna go in with this lipstick from Yardley. It is their Intense Matte Lipstick in Temptress. And it is matte. And with the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the color Amber. She is a little bit sticky, which is probably my fault. That's okay. Just gonna Shine Crystal Lip Gloss by Absolute New York. I'm just gonna, there it is. There it is. Yep.